Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how you can buy Roblox in Roblox using your Google Play gift card. Before we get started, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. First, go to the Roblox homepage. In the top right corner, you will see the Roblox icon. Click on it. This will open a screen showing your balance at the top along with all the available Roblox packages below. Choose the package you want to buy. Next, you will be taken to the payment screen. Agree to Google Play and you will see different payment methods. Tap on the payment options, scroll down and select redeem code. If you already have a gift card balance in your Google account, you can simply use it. But if you haven't redeemed your code yet, go to the bottom, tap on redeem code, enter the code from your gift card and redeem it. Once redeemed, you can use the balance to purchase Roblox. Keep in mind, if the amount you are trying to buy is more than your gift card balance, you will need to pay the difference using another payment method. And that's how you can buy Roblox using your Google Play gift card. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.